Good morning. We're back out on the water today. Look how good this place is. Absolute glass out. Today we're going to be throwing, if you can see that, some cicadas. Can't hear any cicadas right now, but we're going to throw them around, see if we can get a few fish. Look at that. So it's low tide at the moment, but once all this fills up with water, I reckon it'll be pretty fishy. I think I just spooked some fish. See all the mud turn up or stir up. Must have been a flatty or something. It's pretty shallow here. Look at all that edge there. That's all exposed at the moment. It's right at the bottom of the tide. But yeah, I'm sure when we come back, when the water starts to come up, those will be full of fish. There's a school of fish right under me. This would be a good little area to throw some plastics, I reckon. It is so quiet. Pretty surprised as well. Why did I do that? I'm surprised there's no cicadas out at the moment. It's usually pretty crazy. Maybe when it warms up, but there's a little bit of, I don't know what it is, but it's eating off the surface. Let's see if I chuck this. Oh, that's a massive mullet. Yeah, there is something over there. I think it might be a bream. Let's see if this will get him to eat. Oh, he's behind it. He had a look. Let's go again. Morning. Shot. That deserves a fish. Come on. Or not. Let's go straight up. The cicadas are coming alive now. About time. Wow. This is definitely out here. I was actually thinking that there was no cicadas. There's no cicadas out here, but I guess we were just waiting for the sun to come up. I'm gonna be deaf by the end of this. Oh, oh, far out. Why aren't they hooking up? Whoa, the stingray right under me. Not committing. But I'm gonna get deaf. These cicadas are too loud. Yes. Oh, what is going on? I've missed so many hookups. It's not funny. Oof, that was a... Oh, it's a bream. He really wanted it. Not really, but... Oh my gosh. What is wrong with these fish? Grab it. I don't think that's meant to happen. This is my second time using this as well. I've already broken the wing off. Oh, lucky I got a spare. Should go. I'll watch this fish come out and grab it. It's only small. Ah, finally a fish. I've been very shy today. 31. Nice. He's whiting this here. If I can get him. Oh, that's a mullet. Is that a mullet? Wait, have a look. Oh, it's a massive whiting. I think you see me. Wow, really shallow here. Might have chosen the wrong time to come up this river. It's heaps too shallow. Oh well. Good to just explore new places, I guess. Alright, we've got some deeper water here, finally. Yep. Oh, far out. Again. That was a big fish, I reckon. That's a little bream. Hey, little fella. But it's been a bit quiet, so it's good to get a bit of action. Whoa, look at that mullet. Massive. See if we get some more, but a bit bigger. Yeah, so not much happening on top water. So we might have to switch it up. Start chucking some divers or something. Some cranks. Just on the edges. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, it's deafening out here. These cicadas are so freaking annoying, eh? So loud. Try this edge. Just here. See if there's anything on it. Oh, there's a big bream. I got him. He's a good bream. Oh, I watched him take it. Oh, he's going back to the snag. He's a good bream. He's a good bream. Gotta take it easy. I'm only using 4 pound. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Come on, come here. Yeah, boy. Oh shit. Oh look, and the cicada just dropped out too. So lucky. That's a good fish. I'm so glad that I stopped to cast here. Whoa. How good's that? On the cicada. Where's he been eating? He's got some shells in his mouth. Happy with that. Let's get him on the bag, mate. We'll say 43. There he goes. Smashed it. Catch of the day. Lure's almost bigger than him.